Hi, in this video I will show you how to use ANSYS-DesignModeler to create 2D model. So at first, go to Launch Workbench in your desktop. So either one version will do. So after launching, most probably get this interface. So let's drag this FLUENT from the analysis system. So just put it onto this workspace and give whatever name you like, for example A, B and C. So as mentioned earlier, this video objective is to show you how to create the model. So over here I will show you how to use this software to create 2D model. So just double click this geometry. So just wait. So it's launching now. Yeah, so after you launch the software, so you're able to get this window appear. So observe on your left hand side, okay, under ABC project, you have XY plane, exact plane, and also the YZ plane here. So this one is just like the front plane, top plane, and also the side plane. So for 2D simulation, I prefer to draw my object on to this XY plane, where I can define the velocity in one direction or in X direction into this axis. Okay, so after you select this one, so just click this icon to give you the normal view. So now, initially, this one is in modeling mode, where you can extract the model or the sketch into become 3D. So to sketch your model, so you have to turn this modeling mode to sketching mode. So just click this, and then these are the sketching toolboxes that you can get from this software. So at first you have this draw. So draw is where we can use to construct a shape, and after that modify. This one is for modification purpose. So dimensioning, constraint, so you can add whatever relation that you want onto the sketch. So now let's draw the symbol shape. Let's draw a rectangle. Okay, so if you point your cursor onto the central axis or any axis here, so observe a C letter is appear. So this one is represent coincidence, so means that your cursor is now onto the axis. Similar go to the y-axis. So if you point your cursor onto the origin, so you will have a P there. Okay, so now this is my rectangle. So I usually will put my lower left corner and meet at this origin here. So I will just add relation coincident. Okay, so click this line and the central axis, click the bottom line to the horizontal axis. Okay, oh yeah, one thing I forgot to show you. So this is unit. You can change or you can define which unit you want to use. So usually I prefer millimeter. So view it again. Okay, so now go to dimensioning. So general, I prefer general. So click this line to label it. So you can define the dimension under this detail view. So V1 is here. So just rename it, for example, or just redimension it. Maybe set this to, let's say, 300. So click this again and label the horizontal as well. So maybe this one you define as a 1000 and normal view key. So now if you want to adjust or reposition your dimension, so you can go to move under this dimension toolbox, click move and just click your dimension and just drag it around. Okay, so nice view. Alright, so now I will construct the model. Let's say I want to simulate a 2D flow over cylinder shape. So therefore I will construct a circle here, and then I just define the location. So let's say this one plays at 350, and then the height, yeah, horizontal means you can only define two lines or two edge in the horizontal direction, and similar goes to this vertical. So just click the points and the reference. So let's say this one is 150. Alright, change this V1 back to 300, easier for us. So now define the dimension for the circle. Either it's radius or diameter, is up to you. So let's say diameter. So just define it. Let's say this one is 100. Alright. So once you finish sketching, or once your sketch has turned into this blue color, so it means that your sketch is now fully defined. So any more dimension adding into this sketch, it will have error because you are now over defining the sketch. So now to run a 2D simulation, you must convert sketch into a surface, which means the empty space here is my computational domain, where this circle itself is the obstacle. So the flow will passing through this object and leave it. Okay, so therefore I must convert this empty space into a kind of area. So to do this, go to concept on the top here, click it and look for surface from sketches. So you are required to select the base object. So this base object basically refers to the area or the sketch that you want to create a surface. So seeing this one is my computation domain, so you can either select one by one by holding the control key, or you can go to select mode here, use box select to create a box and close your sketch, or you can go to select your sketch one, click apply, and then click generate. So this one is your computational domain. So just close it. Thank you.